Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Nikki's Cookbook. Today's recipe is a delicious, crispy and buttery butter dosa, that is benne dosa. And for this what we have done is I have taken 3 cups of rice. Now with the same cup measurement I have taken the other ingredients as well. Now this is the dosa rice that I have taken, and with the same cup measurement I have taken half cup of urad dal, that is black gram, and 1 cup of poha, that is flattened rice, 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. Now what we are going to do is wash the rice and soak it for around 5 to 6 hours. Now after 5 to 6 hours, this is how it becomes. It has absorbed all the water and it has become a little puffed and softened up a little. Now in a mixer grinder, take the soaked rice along with the other ingredients and put it into the mixer grinder with some water, and then grind it into a smooth paste. This is how it is smooth. Now we are going to do the same with the remaining rice as well. We are going to grind it in parts. Now this is the batter. It is quite thick, it is not very runny. Now if you don't make the batter very runny, it will ferment well, so just take care that you don't add too much water while you're grinding it. Now after fermenting it for around 8 hours or overnight, this is how it is. It is a perfectly fermented batter. Now into this we will add salt as required. And then onto a hot griddle, we will just sprinkle some water so that the temperature of the griddle goes down, and then wipe it with a clean cloth. And then spread the batter with a ladle and then spread it into the shape of a dosa. Now this dosa has got a very crispy and a very soft texture as well. And it is very nice for breakfast because it is a wholesome meal. It has got complex carbohydrates, it has got protein in the form of urad ki dal, that is black gram. Now when the dosa develops holes onto it, as you can see, just add few pieces of butter onto it, or you can even add melted butter, 1 teaspoon of it, and let the butter melt. This is a very buttery dosa. It is very tasty and it is got a very lovely texture to it. I have added some melted butter as well. And then just flip the dosa. Once it starts leaving the griddle, that means it's ready. And see how beautifully it has come out. You can have this dosa with potato, sabzi, some kind of chutney or anything you like. It is an excellent breakfast recipe. It's very easy to make and it is full of nutrition. It's very good for diabetics. It's very good for a normal, regular and wholesome breakfast. Now I'm showing you another dosa also similarly how to make it, and just follow the same steps again and your beautiful benne dosa, that is butter dosa, is ready. I hope you like my recipe. Please do give it a try, and please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for notifications, and please do comment in the comment section given below. And until next time, goodbye.